Welcome back to Quiz Creator. Choose your gift, Squishy Dumpling Edition, but watch out, one of the boxes is a trap. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Creator channel for more exciting quizzes. Choose your first squishy dumpling. How lucky are you? Next dumpling. Choose your fast food squishy. Can you guess what's inside? Give it a try. Wow! Which box will you choose? Hope you picked the right one. Next dumpling box. Next dumpling. Nice pick. Next dumpling. Nice pick. Let's move on to the next one. Choose your squishy dumpling. Are you feeling lucky today? The tension is rising. Next challenge. Any guess? Next dumpling. You're on fire. Next dumpling. Hold your breath. Box number 18. Nice choice. Choose your squishy. Let's see what's inside. Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. Take your best guess. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe. Will you escape the trap? Who got the trap box? Here's your next question. Time for another challenge. Let's move on to the next one. Time to make your choice. Next challenge. Any guess? Let's move on to the next one. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.